Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you exactly how to erase part of an image in Canva step by step. Whether you're designing for work, school, or just for fun, mastering this trick can completely elevate your creativity and take your designs to the next level. First, make sure you're logged into Canva. If you want to use the easiest method, having Canva Pro will be a game changer. But don't worry, I'll guide you through it either way. Once you're in, open your project or start a new design. Upload the image you want to edit, or select one that's already in your design. Click on the image and you'll see a blue border appear, letting you know it's ready for editing. Now, head over to the edit menu at the top. Here, Canva gives you a bunch of options, but the star of today's tutorial is the magic eraser. If you're on the free plan, this is your chance to see why Canva Pro is worth it. It unlocks tools that make editing faster and smarter. With the magic eraser selected, just click and drag over the part of the image you want to remove. Canva's intelligent tool will automatically detect the area and erase it seamlessly, leaving you with a clean canvas. You can adjust the eraser size for more precision, especially helpful for tricky edges. Once you're happy with your edits, hit save, and just like that, part of your image is gone. You now have a fully customized design ready to use anywhere. So there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to erase parts of images in Canva. Keep experimenting with this tool and explore everything Canva has to offer. Who knows what amazing designs you'll create next. Thanks for watching and happy designing.